to present the topic. Yes, please. Arif, come on, get here for a while and talking about your topic. Yes, please, Mr. Jalal Khan. Yes, come on. Yes. You have to take some page for the icon, please.
Page?
Yes, you have to take the page, please. Yes, Gavin. Please take this. Arif, come on. I have to start your presentation.
Yes, it is.
Just for the icon, just for
Okay.
the icon, you have to take this. Come on, start, please.
Starting in the sweet and merciful name of Allah Almighty, who is the most merciful, beneficent, gracious, and omnipotent of everything. He is the one who created all mankind from a clot of congealed blood. He is the one who is everywhere, who knows all the things, and He is the creator, the sustainer, the planner, and the master of the world and the universe. So, after all praise to Allah Almighty, I would like to welcome all of you in Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum. So I'm very grateful to my respected and vigilant teacher, Sir Zafar Hakimi, who granted me this opportunity to present a few lines about my topic. Today my topic is better about education. So education, what is education? Education is something which sir, please stop this. Sir, pressure Rajiv Zagada.
Okay. training زي about 10 كذا primary agenda points present كذا I contact all the okay
Okay, sir.
yes once again you have to start the video sir please okay
Sir,